Hey guys, Brian, Coaching Media and Marketing Manager here at Whissel Realty. Wanted to show you how to utilize Rev.com to upload your SRT, your caption file, on YouTube and Facebook. So let's get right into it. Here I have it uploaded on YouTube. Here I have it uploaded on Facebook. Here I have my file. So what I do is I just go to Rev.com, go to My Files, and you're going to see this is the one I want right here. I'm going to download. So I like downloading the Facebook Ready subrip file. I also like downloading the transcript, which I'll use for a blog, but I do them individually so I don't get a zipped file. So I'm going to download that, and it's going to come up right here. I'll show it in the folder. Okay, there it is right there. Now, as I'm just going to move this off to the side, when I go to YouTube, I'm going to go to transcriptions. And you can use the Facebook Ready subrip or SRT file on YouTube. You can't use a non-Facebook Ready one on Facebook, but you can use this one on both. Subtitles, this was published automatically. I'm going to click this to edit it. Click Edit. Now here I can type in stuff. I'm going to go to Actions, Upload a File, Subtitles File, Choose File, and I'm just going to drag and drop this in here. I'm going to open it, upload. You can see here they spelled whistle wrong here. Now it's all right. I like Rev.com because they capitalize things, even though this is incorrectly. They do quotation or question marks, stuff like that. I like it. So then you hit Save Changes, and you return to YouTube Studio. Just going to close this out. So now on Facebook, very similar process. You have to wait until it uploads. Go to Subtitles and Captions. Choose English if it's English. Upload your file. Here it is. Open. There it is. Now you have the subtitles. Easy as that, guys. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. But that's how you do it for Facebook and YouTube. Very similar for LinkedIn as well. All right, guys.